Alright guys, you've already watched the first video about adding commas and dates correctly. We're doing this because you're sending an email to someone or you are writing a letter to someone this week, so we want it to look nice and clear. What I want you to do is get a scratch piece of paper, kind of like Mr. Westhoff, and I want you to copy down these right here, and I want you to correctly add the comma where it belongs. Go ahead and pause right now and then press play when you're done. Alright, so the first rule is we always need to separate the day and the year, because March 161,994, that's not even a thing, right? March 16, 1994, that's a real time. Once again, March 12th is my day, comma, it happened in 2016. July 14, that's a day, and it happened in 2001. June 4th, that's a day, and it happened in 1920. Alright, the next one that we'll learn about is we separate the day of the week and the month. Right here, if it says Tuesday, April, that kind of looks like somebody's first and last name because they have capital letters and they're right next to each other. Well, Tuesday, April, I'm not talking about a person. I'm talking about a Tuesday, the day of the week, and it happened on April 14th. Gets a little bit trickier when all of a sudden now we have the year. Well, once again, Tuesday, April, that's not a person's name, but something did happen on Tuesday, and the day was April 14th to be exact, and we learned that we need to also separate the years, because this is actually when Rory was born. It was a Tuesday on April 14th, and it happened in 2016. Next, I want you to copy these two down on your piece of paper. This first one is the day that the twins were born. This next one is just more specific, and it tells you the year they were also born. Go ahead and pause your video and copy them down correctly, and then press play to check your work. Alright, if someone asked me, hey, when were Ryan and Nora born? I would say Wednesday, August 22nd. But when I write it, I have to be a little bit more clear. I have to say they were born on Wednesday, comma, August 22nd. If I needed to be even more exact, like if I was maybe at a doctor's appointment, they might ask, what is their birthday? And I would say August 22nd of 2018. It's a lot easier to say it than to write it, but they might want me to be more specific, so I would say, well, it was a Wednesday, comma. To be exact, it was Wednesday, August 22nd, comma, and it happened in the year 2018. Alright, hopefully you did pretty well. On the next slide, there's a couple things for you to rewrite and to sort. Good luck!